You don't absolutely believe that Hello Kitty is really a little girl and not a cat. I am against this entire idea. I made a video the other day about the fact I didn't know she was a little girl. My entire life, I thought she was a cat. And my entire life when I was young, my parents would buy me like stickers and pencils, and they were very expensive back in the day. And people are telling me crazy stuff. I don't even accept any of these. First of all, she's from London, and I know she's from Japan, so I don't know where this is coming from. Second of all, she has her own pet cat. Like, she's a cat and she has a pet cat, but she's a girl. I don't get this at all. And then I found out she has a boyfriend, and his name is Daniel. I mean, is it Daniel Tiger or what, you guys? I don't accept any of these. She's a cat. I refuse to believe this. On top of that, she weighs like 3 apples, and she's 2 apples by 3 apples. I have no idea. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm never going to believe it. What do you guys think? She, to me, is a cat from Japan and nothing else. I refuse to believe it. Absolutely.